Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to do chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is What Should Som Grow? As all of us know, we need food to grow, we need food to live. So, the food comes from plants. Food comes in the form of fruits and vegetables and grains. The things that we need to eat, they comes from plants. So in this chapter we will learn what plants should Som grow in order to grow up, in order to eat and in order to live. So we are going to start with the chapter. Read how Som learns to grow different plants. Firstly, Som was an old man who had no home or family. That means Som was old and he was no one in his family. He was having no one in his family. He was not having any home. So he used to live in the forest. He ate fruits from the trees in the forest. What did he eat? He eat the fruits that come from the trees in the forest. One day he met a fairy. Fairy means pari. So when the fairy met Som, the fairy asked him, "Why don't you grow plants for food?" The fairy asked Som, "You want food, you want to eat food to live, so why don't you grow your own plants?" Next day, Som planted oats on a patch of land in the forest. What are oats? Oats are the grains that are used to that are eaten by the animals as well as the human beings. And patch means an area of land. When the fairy said that you should grow something, so next day Som planted oats in some land that is in the forest. When the oats were ripe means pak gaye, when the oats were ready, when the oats plant was ready, a deer came there and he was eating the oats. He ate the oats. And Som asked the deer, "Why are you eating my oats?" The deer said, "If you grow maize means makki, if you grow maize, I will not eat the maize," said the deer. So Som sowed maize on his land. अब सोम ने क्या किया, अपनी लैंड पे मेज ग्रो कर दी. A parrot came along to eat the maize. Now when he growed the crops of maize, now he growed the plants of maize, so a parrot came there and he started eating the maize. So asked him the same question, "Why are you eating my maize?" So he said, the parrot said, "If you grow peanuts, I will not eat your peanuts." The parrot replied, "If you grow peanuts, I will not eat the peanuts." Then after that Som sowed peanuts. Then when he sowed the peanuts, a jackal क्या होता है, लोमड़ी, jackal came to eat the peanuts. And while he was eating the peanuts, Som asked him, "Why are you eating my peanuts?" So jackal said, "If you grow carrots, I will not eat your carrots." And then after peanuts, Som sowed carrots. Then when the carrots were grown, bear came there and he eat the carrots. Then Som again asked, "Why are you eating my carrots?" Bear replied, "If you grow rice, I will not eat the rice." So after that Som sowed rice. In this way Som learned how to grow different type of plants, and there was enough food for everyone because Som has grown so many plants. Like he grew rice, carrots, peanuts, maize, oats and everything. So there was a lot of food for everyone to eat. Do you like to eat these things too? Yes. So in the chapter we have learned that everyone needs, be it an animal, be it a human being, everybody needs food to live and everybody needs food to eat. So the food comes from the plants. That is, we need plants to grow. So in the story we have learned that we should grow more plants in order to get food, and secondly we should share our food with everyone. So this was the story. Now we'll have a look at the exercise portion. First is read and answer. There are 3 questions. First is, where did Som live? What did he eat? As we have read the chapter, we know where did the person live and what did he eat. Secondly, who told Som to start growing plants? किसने बोला था plants grow करने के लिए Som को? Thirdly, where did Som plant the seeds? Som ने seeds को कहाँ पे plant किया था and why? In the B part, we have given the pictures of various things like oats, carrots, rice, and peanuts. We have to tell who ate these things. We have to write the names of that ones in the blanks. C is, if you had a patch of land, what would you like to grow? If you have land, अगर आपके पास land है तो आप कौन सा fruit और vegetable वहां पे grow करना पसंद करोगे? In the learn words, tick the correct word for each picture. We have given some pictures. You have to tick on the correct word which is related to the picture. What is the name of that picture? In the learn the language part, we will learn about replacing he, she, and it. He, she, and it is these are the replacing words. So first of all, we will read the sentences. My name is Som. I live in a forest. So here they are talking about Som. Som says I live in a forest. So they have replaced Som with I. Secondly, Som is a young man. He eats fruits. Som is a person. He eats fruits. Som eats fruits. So they have replaced Som with he. Som meets a fairy. She tells him to grow plants. किसने बताया था plants grow करने के लिए? Fairy ने. So fairy is replaced with she. This is a bear. It does not eat rice. Bear है जो वो rice नहीं खाता. Bear को किसने replace कर दिया? It ने. So from here we can see I, he, she, and it. These are used in place of the naming words. I किसके लिए use करते हैं हम? When we are talking about ourselves. Ourselves means जब हम अपने बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं तब हम बात करते हैं, तब हम use करते हैं I. She हम use करते हैं जब हम किसी girl के बारे में बात करते हैं. He use करते हैं जब हम किसी boy के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And it use करते हैं जब हम किसी animal, किसी bird और किसी thing के बारे में बात करते हैं. I, ourselves, he, boy, she, girl, it, thing, bird or animal. Now in the A portion, we have to read the sentences and we can see in the first question, Anna and she. इनको इन्होंने क्या किया? Arrow के साथ join किया हुआ है. What you have to do is, you have to, in these sentences, you have to pick the naming word and you have to join it with the word that is used in its place. For example, Anna is my friend. She sings very well. यहाँ पे Anna की बात हो रही है. Anna को replace किसने किया? She ने. तो they have marked an arrow with Anna with she. Similarly, in the next questions, you have to do it. Like my father is a policeman. यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? My father की. He is very brave. So father के साथ हम क्या करेंगे? He को link कर देंगे. Okay. Similarly, all the others. Now read the sentences and circle the correct word. रोहित इज माई ब्रदर. ही, शी इज वेरी टॉल. अब रोहित है, रोहित इज अ बॉय, तो बॉय के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ही. सो वी विल सर्कल ऑन, वी विल पुट अ सर्कल ऑन ही. Similarly, the next ones. And next is we have what these are some words given in a leaf and in the flowers. You have to read these words aloud, like sit and seat. There are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. In the flowers, you have been given with the short vowel sounds like sit, bin, slip. Okay, and in the leaves, you have been given with the long vowel sounds seat, bean, sleep. Okay, is it clear, students? Yes, students, in the right portion, you have to write a letter to friend. All the things are given to you. Previously, there are some fruits given to us, and what you need to do in the letter, you have to write about how you can make a fruit salad. Okay, you just need to fill in the blanks by using the name of fruits or like what you have put first, which fruit would you take first, these kind of things you have to write. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have enjoyed the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.